Once upon a time, in a town far away, lived a brilliant inventor. The inventor was known everywhere for his magical creations. The inventor was called Sam, and he had a small workshop located in front of the sea. One sunny morning, while Sam was working in his shop, he heard a soft knock on the door. Opening it, he discovered a girl standing there, her eyes full of curiosity. Her name was Lily, and she had heard stories about Sam's amazing inventions. Lily asked timidly,
"Are you the famous inventor, Sam?"
Sam smiled and replied,
"Yes, dear. How can I help you today?"
Lily explained,
"I have a problem, Mr. Sam. You see, my grandmother's shrine has lost its light. It used to shine, but now it's dark. I was wondering if you could..."
Sam accepted the challenge, so together they head to Lily's grandmother's house, where the shrine was in a corner. Sam examined the sanctuary closely and noticed a small crack in the glass. He knew what to do, because the same thing happened in her grandfather's shrine. So he turned to Lily and said,
"I need a saucepan to mix the ingredients to help you. Do you have one?"
Lily anxiously ran to the kitchen and searched for a small saucepan. Sam carefully mixed different ingredients, creating a magical solution. Throwing it into the sanctuary, they watched that the crack was repaired in a few seconds and that the shrine shined again. Lily clapped, thanking Sam. They were in the car leaving the house of the grandmother of the little girl. Suddenly a car appeared in front of theirs, so they stopped. A sailor got out of the car, and when he recognized Sam, he was amazed. His name was Captain Jonas, and he had sailed the seas for many years.
"Ah, Sam, I have heard stories about your inventions. Maybe you could help me, please. You see, I lost my trusty spade during my recent trip, and I can't tend my garden without it."
Sam agreed to help the sailor. Together they traveled to a distant island where Captain Jonah believed that he had lost his shovel. After an exciting adventure in the seas, they finally arrived on the island. Sam found the solution to locate the missing shovel. Investigating, they found Captain John's spade. Captain Jonah thanked Sam for his great help. The sailor now had hope for his garden, and Sam felt a sense of satisfaction in bringing joy and solving other people's problems. From then on, Sam's fame as an inventor spread even further. People admired him, and as for Lily and Jonah, they became Sam's best friends, forever grateful for this brilliant mind and keen heart. Together lived many more adventures, creating friendship that would last a lifetime.